So we're back at the dealership to pick up a couple of bits this morning. Hang on, my camera lens looks shocking. Better. But not in the Mitsubishi. We're in a Ford. It was Christmas. Why can't I treat myself? I miss me Ranger. Right, so go grab these bits I need quickly. Hopefully they've got them in stock, and then hopefully we can get them fitted. Right, so first job of the day, we're going to finish off the jobs we couldn't do on this yesterday. So first off is the oil filler cap. It got all the bits we needed. So if anyone is wondering, no, I don't feel very delicate. I was sensible last night, and 10:30, after I had a drink and had a bit of a bite to eat with them, they all decided they were going to Chester. I decided I was going home. I think I made the right move. So last night, well, yeah, yesterday's video, yeah, I know that kind of ended up going up probably early hours of this morning. Basically got it all edited together quickly when I got home, but it started downloading sort of as I left for the party, which of course do all my YouTube stuff on my phone, and where we went had no internet, so it kind of stopped uploading until I got home. So, oh, excuse me, yeah. So, but yes, I'm quite happy to say I am okay this morning. I am not broken. Well, not from that. That's nothing serious, really. It's just clouted me. My wrist yesterday afternoon. Okay. Yep. Yep. What can I say? I'm on a good day and accident looking for somewhere to happen. There we go. Get out. Yep. There we go. Ooh. Isn't that the prettiest belt we've ever seen? Yeah, you're done. You're done. So, first thing first with the belt. Alright. First thing first with the belt, try and get it out. That way. There we go. Opti belt made in Germany. Apparently all the good stuff comes from Germany. So, they look a similar length. Let's scrap anyway. Right, let's feed this new one in. Because Vulture are very good. They give you nice little handholds to put your hands through that your hands don't quite fit through. That cap down there is quite tight. Right, well hang on, we'll pick this back up in a minute. So there we go, new belts on. That wasn't too bad, relatively straightforward. Certainly a lot better than some. So just a phone call to say that brews have been made, so I think we're going for a brew. Turn that down. So, why am I messing around with the pickup when I supposedly loved my van so much? Well, the thing is with my van, I can't go out and get half a dozen bags of coal, 8-foot fence posts, 3 6-foot troughs, and a load of other bits and pieces. Plus, this has got heated seats and lazy driving and can tow a trailer. Well, the van can tow a trailer, but I'll still need to try and get a key to actually be able to put the hitch on, to be able to put the trailer on. I will always say, towing wise, I will always take a pickup over anything for towing. And I know there are a lot of people that will argue that point. You know, there are those that love the Landies. All right, I've never towed with like a Disco 3, Disco 4 with the full air suspension. I've driven, I say, if you've been following the channel long enough, my white Gritter wagon, that was on all air suspension, and yeah, I didn't actually like it that much. I found it like driving a bouncy castle. Mind you, somebody had the bright idea of modifying suspension so it sits higher, so it doesn't ground out, and that, excuse me, possibly could have been part of the problem. I do love these Rangers. I mean, fuel economy leaves a lot to be desired, but they are a nice looking, comfy truck to drive. Yeah, we're doing like 26 miles to the gallon. I got it up to 28 driving it manually. It's an auto, but you can put it in sports mode and take control of the gears, and that does actually make a difference. And it's one of them, I've only just spotted it today. There's no rev counter. There is when you stick it into, well, they call it sports mode, I'm calling it manual. You get rev counter then. Well, traffic lights around here at the moment. So I just saw signs for traffic lights. No, I'm seeing things. Ooh. Old Terex TR200. Passing the wide bit. He was going up there anyway. Must remember to actually change gear though. Mr. Whitlow, busy hacking away cows' hooves. I don't know if I don't think he watches the videos. I don't think he's got more sense. So we're trying to hang on a minute. Yeah, bless me. Try to sort a few little jobs on this little solace. I've got a pair of LED spotlights, so should be less inclined to back into things. Not impossible. I would say they're only some cheap, nasty ones, but they work. Showing up my boots quite nicely. Oh. Ah, there we go. Thought they were stuck on then. Yeah, I'm going to fiddle with the exhaust next. It could be a bit of a big job. Right, so last little job on this. You can see we've got the exhaust manifold off. It's got a bit of an exhaust leak. It actually had quite a bad smack on. This is the new exhaust that snapped the exhaust off there, bent that, and has caused an exhaust leak. So, got a Stanley knife blade. Just gonna clean up the engine ports. Christ, could do with a sharper Stanley knife blade. So yeah, that's the plan. Have a dig at this and get it all nice and smooth. And then we've got a new set of gaskets to go back on. She should be peachy. Right, final push hopefully. So manifold's all nice and clean, locks all nice and clean. We've got the gaskets attached. I've got an itchy nose. It's beyond dark. Hang on. What's going on here? Because I do actually want this for me light as well. There we go. Yeah. Right. Exhaust manifold in. I actually do quite enjoy working on this tractor, as daft as it sounds. It's just easy somehow. Simple old school mechanics, but at the same time brand new tractor, so everything's sort of not in bad nick. Go on, there's always one. Okay. Oh, there's a little raily thing that has to go back on. Not quite sure what it's for, but it was on there when we started. Oh, thank you very much. Cheers all. Ooh. I suppose I should confess this now so it doesn't get people up in arms in a minute. I I can get away with having a beer because I'm not driving home. Because the pickup I'm in all day is actually the customer's. It's not my pickup. I've enjoyed driving it, so yeah, I basically only had one drink last night. On the Christmas sort of bash. I just wasn't quite feeling myself. So they all decided they wanted to go off into town. I really wasn't up for that. So I gave their son a lift homewards who really wasn't into Chester and took his pickup home with me and then brought it back this morning. I've still got my Mitsubishi van. Right, pause. I'm going to come back to this in a minute. Right, so she's all finished. I'm finished. Wife's here to come pick me up. Don't make me swear on a video. Don't poke my fat bits. Right, so that's it. We are done, dusted, lights off, finish beer and go home. So take care. Don't forget to give it a grubby thumbs up. Cheers all, and we'll see you on the next one. No, that's not what I want to switch off, that is. Take care. See you soon.